All right, so welcome back. We're back on a Sunday. We're getting ready to do the walkthrough. We're getting ready to show you all what's going on. So me and Tom are right here at the entrance. We're getting ready to take you on the guided tour. So there's a lot to see in here. We've been working on this for about 3 weeks or so. Really beautiful how all this turned in. Hey Tom, let me back up. Look, check it out. We'll flip them around right now. So just walking in the gate. Okay, just walking in. This is huge. Big old huge ceiling. Everything in here is wrapped in metal. So, real quick, the baseboard over here ain't done. The cabinet guy's coming. He's going to put all these in, and then we got a couple little ties. But we have wrapped every door in here, sprayed every door, done every window seal, that sort of thing. That's what we've done throughout here. Plus, we have laid this entire floor. So they've already got their TV hooked up. So the homeowners, just so you know, they're actually moving in, trying to. Matter of fact, I think the mister's right in here somewhere. Let's go find him. Let's see if we can find the homeowner. Aha! Look at that guy all the way down there. There he is. So there's the homeowner, you all. Hey, Cody. So we're just wrapping up. We just want to show you his place. Monster garage. I'm so jealous of your garage, bro. Wish I had this sucker for myself. So coming in, we started with all the floor. Look at their system right here. Good golly. No doubt there is master plumbers out there right now scratching their head. Come on in. We got the double doors here. Like I said, look at that guy. Tom, that's pretty in there, buddy.
Oh, yeah.
So, walking on out, this is where we came in. This is the biggest room in here. So let's take you on down this way. We got bathroom number 1 here. So again, throughout the house, you all are going to see there's still some loose ends. It's not on us. It's nothing we're doing. We're done with our part. So this is the homeowner coming in at a later date, just tying up these loose ends. And again, keep in mind, they're trying to move in. So all these doors, we showed you all this morning on the video and everything. We showed you how to spray them. You remember in the last video, I showed you about those deck screws those people did installing these doors. We did not install these doors, but we did do all the trim work, baseboard, flooring, window sill, shower. I don't think I'm missing anything. So every room, this is a big house. Every room just turned out super slick. Here's their windowsill right here. So we put all those in, trimmed them out, cased them out. There's your closet. Look, all these lights, man, they're so cool. Look at that. Got the little remote right here handy. So awesome stuff. Like I said, they're moving in. Of course, we're saving the best room for last. So this is the master bedroom. They're double bay windows. They got a lot of acreage in this place. So huge master walk-in closet. So with all these doors, you walk in here, if you all remember, and again, sorry it is so dark in here. There you go. That's the only light they got in here right now. Other than lights we put in here, we'll get into that in a minute. But there's that one guy that we showed you. We took the tile out of the shower. We wrapped this guy inside and out. Ran him right down there to the trim. This is already their little setup in here. Real pretty. So that just coincides with right over here. Check their vanity and stuff out. Again, I know it's hard to see, but they got a really pretty vanity going on and everything. Pretty mirrors. So, you get a little light over here for you so we can see. Pardon the floor. We haven't swept yet. But so this is how we case this out. This is exactly how we case this out. Really short, sweet, to the point. Trim very thin and everything. Everything's waterproof. Sent the tile out here on the curb. Got the schlutered edges here. Went with the penny tile for the floor. DeLorean gray grout. This sucker is popping. I mean popping. Beautiful. Just beautiful floor. So coming on in, there's the dual shower heads. Or I'm sorry, the dual diverters. There's the shower head. Now, we just hooked up some lights up here. We finally got the ceiling painted. We just hooked up some lights so you can see what's going on. But this is a huge 8x4. I'm gonna step on in here so you get the full effect. So, beautiful trim work out here. We wrapped inside and out all the way across. And this guy's coming down all the way there in the corner. There's the big rain head right above me. That sucker's popping. Look at that. It's like a golf course. Like a golf course. Now I can set my little flag stick right here and putt from over there. So we put their little basket in here already just for their soap, shampoos, and everything like that. But lots of space. Just wanted to show you. Boatload of space in here. Look at that view. Kind of upside down, if you will. Isn't that cool? We have been in here probably about 3 weeks. Look, I'm telling you, this shower is so monstrous big. Look at this. We can just sit down here on the ground. We can look up and give you an awesome view here. Just sitting down here, chilling.
Did you show them if the shower works?
What do you mean? You better not. You better not. All right, so we're back. Tom thought that was pretty funny, so we went ahead and aired it anyway. You know, got my shirt all wet, everything. So, you know, we always have a great time like that. I love you, Sky. I come out, caught him. My phone kind of glitched out, the whole nine, but it's all good. We got it all together now. So look, this is the end of season 1. I can't even believe season 1 is already gone. This is like 22, 23 episodes, something like that. So we're getting ready to start season 2. Come Monday, we got a new homeowner and his wife coming up to bat. We got a custom walk-in shower. We got 2 more custom showers right after that are going to get tricked out with some nasty counters. So I can't wait for season 2 to hit. You all have a fabulous Sunday, and we'll see you back on the next one, guaranteed.